Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Kashfix. Today I'm working on this 2014 Honda CR-V front both struts replacement, and I'll be replacing front struts with a front stabilizer link or sway bar links. So let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do a front strut replacement, as you see, I removed the wheel. Here are these two boards. This side is 19 and this is 22 millimeter. So you can remove it from this side and hold it, or the other way around. And here's the stabilizer link. 1 and 2. Second one is right there at the bottom. So I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna start with the stabilizer link. And this nut seems to be a rusty. I have an option. Either if I can remove it successfully, that's fine. If I can't, I'm gonna have to cut it. Okay, so here's a 17 millimeter nut for the bottom one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush off the threads. So this way, it will be a lot easier to when it comes to remove. Then just get the metal wire brush and kind of remove debris from the thread. So once it's moved, it will be a lot easier and quicker to come off. Again, this is a 17 millimeter. There you go, and move. Good sound. All right, so it was not moving, it would just keep spinning. So I'm holding the back of the sway bar. As you can see, there's a space. You can use a vice grip, so that's gonna keep it secure. And from the other side, I'm gonna try loosen up again. And also I sprayed some WD-40. Definitely you can try that, that's gonna help. Alright, I have tried it. Like in my experience, most of the time, I would say 90%, I have to cut them. So let's go ahead and cut the bolt. Right, so this has been cut, as you see, separated. Well, just broke off, but it's been cut. There you go. And just kind of clean up this part with the grinder. Okay, this is a one way to remove the stabilizer link. Now I'm not gonna remove this from here since I'm replacing a strut, so it'll come out with this strut. Okay, remove this 12 millimeter bolt for the brake line. safe. Separate from this. Just leave it there, it's not gonna hurt anything. Now the next thing you need to do is remove this clip. Pull it out like this and this. For this part, just simply pull it out. This is an ABS sensor, so be careful not to apply a lot of force. Just leave it here and we all clear. So the sway bar link has been removed from the bottom. You have to remove from here, you have to remove from the top. Like I said, in my case, I'm putting a new stabilizer link, so I'm not removing it. Now the next step would be remove these two bolts from the bottom first. This one and this one. 21, 19 on this side, 19 and 22. 22 on this. I have 19 millimeter on this side and 22 on this side. I'm using a gun to remove. Okay, pull this out. Same thing for the bottom one. Now for this one, you may have to push it in a little bit, then you can remove it. Pull it out. This is completely and fully separate. You may secure this with the body or just place something underneath so it won't hurt anything. All right, so just be careful with this. It main axle will pull out all the way if you let this on the ground. So this is how it's secured. Just support something underneath the rotor, so we just kind of keep it in place. And this is, you see, this is loose. All we have to do, remove the three nuts from the top, and it's gonna drop. Let's go ahead and remove it. All right. In order to access the top bolts, they are behind this cover. So lift this up. Side can pry up. There you go. Just like that. And simply just pull it out. I will leave this attached here. So these are the 5 nuts we need to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You see those? These are 14 millimeter nuts, so let's go ahead and remove them. Fifth one, whenever I'm removing it, just be careful, just go very slow, otherwise the strut is gonna fall. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the strut with my hand while I'm getting to an edge, and I will just slide out smoothly. I was holding it while I was removing the last one. So come look inside here. So this It's free, you see. So be careful and just simply pull it out. Pulling it out this way. There we go. Here it is. Alright, so I'm just comparing the new Strut with the old one. All the holes and everything, they look exact the same. I ordered these from Detroit Axle from Amazon, and it cost me about like 160. It also comes along with the sway bar links. So let's go ahead and put them in. All right, so here's the new Strut. Make sure you're using the right side one, and they are the left and right, they are different than each other, so make sure you're putting a right side on the right one. And this arrows goes towards the frame, and this is the front. Simply you have to do just lift up, align the holes, and just kind of start the nuts from the top. Let's go ahead and do it. And it comes with the new nuts, so I'm going to use them. It may take a minute when you aligning from the bottom to the holes. Take your time. If you are putting it in the right direction, it won't take more than a minute. Okay, all right, I'll start off all the nuts, and let's go ahead and put the bolts back from the bottom. Right, so simply just bring it back, align it. If you can lift it, that's fine. If you cannot, use a jack, floor jack. It helps you too. There you go. It's self-aligned, and at this point, just kind of put a bolt in, and you can use a screwdriver from the bottom hole just to kind of, so you're gonna align it. It helps you to straighten up the hole. There you go. And the other one, same thing. Just kind of wiggle from the other half. Go. Simply in. Now start these two nuts. Alright, make sure to fully tighten them. Then I'm going to use a torque 160 foot-pound. Okay, just like this. And this ABS cable, you can push through this hole. Lastly, a 12mm bowl for the brake line, just to secure it. Okay, line up. This is done.
I will just hang tight and check the torque.
And slide up at the bottom, and then lock it here. There you go. Everything is into place. So that's how we do front strut replacement in the Honda CR-V. But I still have to replace the sway bar. So simply bring them in and then start screwing. Align with the hole, push it in, and there you go. We're done with the bottom one. Same thing we do for the top one. This one I can use the gun and hold it from the back. Make sure you hand tight them both, and that's it. Alright, so everything has been replaced, fully tight, per the torque specifications. These two boards, make sure they are fully tight, and both bolts for the stabilizer link, and everything looks okay. This is the ABS sensor wiring. That's the brake line has been secured. Don't forget to get the alignment. You may need to get the alignment. I would recommend to get the alignment after the Struts, because the one the car had, must have been worn out. Maybe it will impact on the new tires or the existing tires. So it's always a great idea to get the alignment done. Okay, so this is how we do front struts and stabilizer link replacement in 2014 Honda CR-V. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. I'll be right back with some other helpful video.